Yo, we had to come back with a part two, you know, for my kids. Love you guys. Part two, cause I'm still missing you. A letter from Mr. Drew. Play it whenever the weather starts to get difficult. Mind what you listen to, don't let the hate get to you. When they throw that mess at you, please don't let it stick to you. Stick with your ritual, both mental and physical. Stick with the principle that no one's identical. I still believe in you, even though I ain't seeing you. I don't care where you're at, you're gonna see it through. Don't care if you pay rent or living in the basement. When talking to yourself, be truthful with your statements. Don't care about the magazines, I care about your self-esteem. Don't care if you're in the front row or standing in the mezzanine. Don't care if you're selling fries or a piece of paradise. I care for the truth, dude. The whole world is telling lies. Don't care about the merchandise, don't care about the purchase price. Let them haters have that chain, homie, it ain't worth your life. Just keep being you, I've always seen me in you. That's why I had to come back, just to speak to you. Your skills are phenomenal, you've always been remarkable. You just need the confidence to know that you gotta go. You know that you gotta grow, go get that pot of gold. Build a team with common goals and always let your mama know. Know that you on a roll, know that you on the road. Say I love you cause you don't know when it's your time to go. I knew a long time ago that it's your time to blow. My classroom's a time machine, y'all still trying to find the dough. You ain't gotta make a million, but you gotta make a living. You ain't gotta know it all, but you gotta make decisions. And you gotta calm down when your phone charger's missing. Don't be afraid to cook, you ain't gonna break the kitchen. You ain't gotta watch the news, but you gotta pay attention. Cut down on your spending if you know you gotta pay tuition. If you find you're missing sleep, cut down on your binging. I would go to sleep right now, but I'm just reminiscing. Solid work conventions, TSA conventions, Kerbal Space chillin', 3D printing, boss a bridge building, rocket through the ceiling, burned a hole in Gage's pants, and I hope he's done healing. A solar go-kart that don't start, no willin'. The school where it smells like farts outside the building. AutoCAD drawings, trash can ballin', a back wall made for anime scrawlings, pep rally MC, always yes y'allin'. We just wanna do our work, Drew, quit talking. So I'ma quit barking, I'ma stop ranting. No time for speaking when you're too busy chanting like go ahead, I see you. Go ahead, I see you. Green wave to Baker, I see you. Uncle Drew is here for the people. If those were the good days, these are the bad days. Don't like those like sandwich with no mayonnaise. So every day's a good day if you look both ways. With acceptance, every day becomes okay. I feel your anxiety, the need for sobriety, the need for variety, the sheep of society. They grieve when you try to leave, so please leave quietly. That's why the mountains is where you'll be finding me. You're on another level, please don't ever settle. You're precious as ever, but still invest in metal. Stand on your business, plan for your fitness. It's not an exam, you can't cram for your wishes. Don't give up like I am isn't with us. Give it all to God, cause I am is the witness. Stand on your business, plan for your fitness. It's not an exam, you can't cram for your wishes. Don't give up, cause I am is always with us. Give it all to God, cause I am is the witness, y'all. I love you. Peace out. I'm out. Stay up, stay true. 1-to-1 scale. Be you.